Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about The Summer I Turned Pretty Season 3, which has been confirmed by TV Recap. This is one of my favorite shows, based on the best-selling book trilogy by Jenny Han. If you haven't watched the first 2 seasons yet, you should definitely check them out on Prime Video. But be warned, there will be some spoilers ahead, so if you don't want to know what happens, stop watching now and come back later. The Summer I Turned Pretty is a coming-of-age story about Belly, a girl who spends every summer at Cousins Beach with her mom and her mom's best friend Susanna, and Susanna's 2 sons, Conrad and Jeremiah. Naturally, as a teen drama series, a love triangle develops between Belly, Conrad, and Jeremiah as they grapple with issues like friendship, loss, love, and growing up during several life-changing summers. Season 2 of The Summer I Turned Pretty ended with a major cliffhanger. Belly had broken up with Conrad after finding out that he had lied to her about his feelings for her and his plans for the future. She then decided to give Jeremiah a chance and they started dating. However, Conrad still had unresolved feelings for Belly, and he showed up at her door on Christmas Eve, confessing his love and asking her to run away with him. Belly was torn between the 2 brothers, and the season ended with her making a choice. So, what can we expect from Season 3 of The Summer I Turned Pretty? Well, according to Prime Video, Season 3 will consist of 10 episodes, which is more than the previous seasons. Season 3 will premiere exclusively on Prime Video in more than 240 countries and territories around the world. Carat 2. However, no release date has been announced yet. Production on Season 3 will not begin until after labor negotiations with the DODGA and SAG-AFTRA have been resolved. As for the plot of Season 3, we can assume that it will follow the events of the 3rd book in the trilogy, Will Always Have Summer. In this book, Jeremiah and Belly start dating and are together for 2 years, beginning college together. Carat 3. The story starts in the summer after Belly finishes her freshman year. At a frat party, she finds out that Jeremiah cheated on her during spring break with a girl called Lacey from his college. Carat 3. Jeremiah then proposes to Belly in an attempt to make up for his mistake and prove his commitment to her. Belly accepts his proposal, but she is still unsure about her feelings for him and Conrad. The rest of the book follows Belly as she prepares for her wedding with Jeremiah, while also dealing with Conrad's return to her life. Conrad tries to convince Belly that she is making a mistake by marrying Jeremiah, and that he is the one who truly loves her. There is also some gray area cheating going on between the love triangle and Jeremiah, and Belly's wedding is called off. Then, a time jump happens, and the book ends with Belly a little older and planning to marry Conrad. Of course, we don't know if the show will follow the book exactly or make some changes to keep things interesting. We also don't know who will be in the cast of Season 3 of The Summer I Turned Pretty. It's safe to assume that Lola Tung, Christopher Brinney, and Gavin Castellano will reprise their roles as Belly and the Fisher brothers. But we don't know if there will be any new characters or guest stars joining them. So that's everything we know so far about Season 3 of The Summer I Turned Pretty. Are you excited for it? Who do you think Belly should end up with? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates on your favorite shows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.